Yeah.
You have to remove them. So we remove those minerals. They're all commercial products. And then we have a clean brine stream with lithium still in it. We recover the lithium. Then everything else goes back down the formation. There's no byproducts, waste products or anything. So it's not mining.
Wow.
Yeah, so the closed loop system effectively is the well that brings the brine up to the surface in a closed loop and goes back into the ground on the other end. The DLE, or the lithium recovery system, is part of that process, just like the steam turbine is part of that process, just like the other critical minerals that are removed are part of that closed loop process. Absolutely. Water, there is a use of water. I mean, it can never be zero. It'd be like Coca-Cola without water in it. Basically, lithium hydroxide is 53% water by weight. And the Salton Sea field is very well managed, so you inject water to keep the manage of what steam comes out. There's no waste products when it comes to water. There's nothing that really contacts the atmosphere. And at the moment, from an engineering standpoint, we're at 8 cycles per 1 gallon of water of recycling through that system. So, and most water we can catch either through drain water or fresh water, but it's world class when it comes to compared to the salars or hard rock mining, where the lowest water use of all types of applications for lithium and minerals recovery. There is an element of water, and the work on recycling, it is a closed loop system, so there's no evaporation with this product. We just use hot steam to be able to concentrate, if that makes sense. Where the salars, if you go to the Atacama, South America, you'll see 10,000 acres of evaporation ponds. You don't see any of that here. I think our whole site area is less than 60 acres. No one. I mean, the lawsuit was lodged 3 days after we had our groundbreaking ceremony with John Podesta and the crew out here. So it caught us all by surprise. So CCV lodged, Earthworks lodged that, I think, literally a few days after the groundbreaking ceremony. So
there wasn't even hey, we want to talk about this. We sent emails trying to get in contact. Nothing about that.
No, it's... Wow. Yeah, I think, Judge Jones made it pretty clear, right? I mean, there was no technical merit to any claim, which was, okay, we create dust, right? But we mitigate under CEQA by putting blacktop roads down, right?